Well, these TV shows are wonderful. They're educational. The thinking behind the program, the cooking at home, of course, that's a much healthier way to go. And doing it yourself. I really appreciate that aspect of it.
This show, I think, was a good show for all of us to work as a team, to get to know each other's strengths.
We're really very proud of it, and we're very proud of the Korcok family. They're quite beautiful inside and out.
One thing that I really do like about the show is we also touch on the community aspect, and that's thanks to Christy. So it allows us to follow Stacie and Brian and meet different people within the community.
It's a feel-good family show. It's nice to turn the TV on and just decompress and maybe learn a new skill.
And just giving it a shot in life, because there's a lot of hesitation that people have, and the fact that we can show these little steps may inspire others.